right, so the other day I noticed I've got a couple of small hairline fractures on the screen. I don't know if you can see that. Look for kind of a white line as I tilt it. They're super small, but I don't want them to get any worse, and I want to prevent further cracks from happening. So I am going to be installing in this video a protective case. This is the one that I bought. There's lots of reviews out there saying, oh, this was too small, too big, it didn't work, I dropped my phone, it broke, blah, blah, blah. I just picked one and went with it, right? Not arbitrarily. I did my research, and this was the one that I came up with. But I had to make a decision, and so here's the one that I'm going to be installing in this video today, and hopefully this can help you out in making a good purchasing decision and also showing you how to do this. So we're going to wash our hands and dry our hands really well beforehand because we don't want any dirt, oil getting caught under there or any hairs or anything like that. So we're going to be conscious of that during the process, and we're going to wipe down the screen as best we can. Remove your protective case if you have one. I've got a cool little silicone case around here, and it comes with, this kit does come with a little soft cloth wipe that you can start with. So clean that off really well. It's kind of like cleaning glasses, right? Get all the smudges off there. You kind of want it to look like this, super clean. Tilt it under the right light and look for any smudges and everything. Get all that clean before you put this case on. Next, we're going to take the protective film out of the wrapper. This particular kit comes with like 4 different clear film pieces, and I don't know why you need so many. You'll only need one, so time will tell. I'm going to hang on to them, throw them in a sock drawer or something, and maybe I'll need to reapply or something. But as far as I can see, you only need one if you do it right. So we're going to clean this off, and we're going to take it out. You peel off the back. You align it really carefully, so make sure you're working with good light. Don't cover your camera lens. And you're going to slowly start to drop it on. And as it makes contacts with the surface of your phone screen, you're going to see it kind of look like liquid black, just kind of melting, but it's actually adhering to the screen of your phone. And then if you are convinced that the alignment is correct, you can slowly start to use your finger, gently kind of brush outward, get rid of any air bubbles if you see any. And I did this one time, and it was pretty much perfect, not to brag. Haha. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and remove everything, or put everything aside, and we can put that back into the protective case. And we're going to test it out too to make sure we're happy with the navigability with your finger, for example, and also the image, right? Does it impact the image? And I'll give you some final shots of what this looks like applied. So here's what the image looks like with the film, protective film on. It does. I'm just tapping the screen there to try to focus the camera, but I notice no noticeable difference or distortion in the screen in the image with my camera on, which is pretty good. This is what it looks like tilted. Again, no distortion of the colors or images, so I am really happy with the way this is coming through. My impression was that if I put this on there, would it actually distort the image negatively, right? Would it look weird? And it's highly responsive to your thumb as well, so it didn't miss anything. So overall, very pleased, and hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.